Which statement or statements are accurate according to the number line? Assume that the number line is drawn to scale. So this first statement is x minus negative x. So you start at x, and from that you're going to subtract negative x. So if you were going to subtract x, you would go in this direction, but you're subtracting negative x, so you go in this direction. When you subtract a negative, that's the same thing as adding the positive. X minus negative x is the same thing as x plus x. You're actually going to go x more to the right. If you were to subtract a positive, you'd go to the left, but if you subtract a negative, you go to the right. So this should get you to 2x, not to negative x. So this first statement is absolutely not true. Second statement, 0 minus x. 0, now we're going to subtract, so we're going to go to the left. 0 minus x gets you exactly to negative x. So that is true. Now we have 0 minus negative x. So normally if you're going to subtract a positive, you'd move to the left. But if you're subtracting a negative, now you move to the right again. Subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. So this simplifies to 0 plus x. And 0 plus x will get you to x, not to negative x. So that one is not true. Now this last one, you have 0 plus negative x. So 0, so when you would add a positive number, you'd go to the right. But if you're adding a negative number, you'd go to the left. So 0 plus negative x gets you to negative x. And that makes sense. 0 plus any number is going to be that same number again. So 0 plus negative x is going to be equal to negative x.